there, in this week's tech tip, let's look at how to make your text pop in a Canva project. I'm here at my Veterans Day Canva project, and as you can see, my font just doesn't really show up very well against the backdrop. So rather than change the color, because I really like this color, what I can do is add a lighting effect behind the text to make it pop. So I'm going to go to Elements and search for the shape I'm looking for. So I could do like a rectangle and add the rectangle shape or a circle shape. This is nice because when it's a shape, I can change the dimensions very easily with the slider. And that definitely makes it way easier to see. If I don't like the harshness of the rectangle, I can use the corner rounding to curve the shape of the sides. But that's still kind of like more aggressive looking than I want. So I want something a little bit more subtle. Another thing you can search though in Elements is blur. So I'm going to look for a golden blur. But you can pick any color you like. This is it's almost like a light shining on it. And just like the shapes, I can kind of adjust the size a little bit. But that definitely makes it easier to see the text, but also lightens it up a bit, and I can still see the flag in the background. So you have a lot of options under Elements to add something that will make it easier to read your text while still preserving your backdrop. As always, if you have any ideas for future tech tips, just let me know.